To effectively deliver maintenance programs to healthcare sites across the country, ActivTec needs ready access to a range of medical equipment spare parts. We hold more than $8.5 million in spare parts across our warehouse and inside our mobile technician vans. There are two key factors to keep in mind when understanding the offering we have when it comes to spare parts, and that is the fast availability of parts and the competitive pricing of our parts. As ActivTec is brand neutral, we have access to an array of suppliers around the world. We currently have accounts with more than 1,200 suppliers globally. We source parts from many local suppliers here in Australia, but also source stock from companies based in New Zealand, the United States, the UK, Denmark, Germany, as well as Taiwan, China, Hong Kong, Italy and the Netherlands, just to name a few. Our online systems allow us to keep track of our more than 18,000 unique spare parts, so we can see which parts are located where and how many we have in stock. This allows us to get the right part to our customers as fast as possible. As mentioned previously, the other factor to consider when purchasing spare parts from ActivTec is our competitive pricing. As mentioned, we are brand neutral, which means we do not manufacture our own medical equipment, so we will never try to sell you our own brand over a competitor's. You'll always get the right part that's fit for purpose. We sell parts from a variety of different manufacturers. For example, one of our most popular parts is the handset for the ActivTec FL250 bed. This bed is sold by ActivTec with electronic components including the handset that are manufactured in Taiwan by a company called T-Motion. To ensure we can supply this handset at the best possible price, we source directly from the Taiwanese original equipment manufacturer, not the local distributor. This is the same part from the same factory with the same safety guarantee, and it preserves all warranties included with the bed. We also buy stock at high volume to keep pricing low and keep high levels of stock to ensure availability. By buying stock at the best price, we're then able to sell it onto our customers at the best price. Of course, with more than 18,000 unique parts, we can't know at all times what the lowest price is for every item. This is why we offer a price beat guarantee. If you can show us a lower price from a competitor on a particular part, we'll match it or beat it. But our goal is to always have the best price in the market. If your healthcare site is in need of medical equipment maintenance, repairs, or spare parts, get in contact with us today.